Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create split screen text effect for YouTube intro using InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my InShot, and first thing first, we need to create text video. You can go to the video and then you're going to click on new, and you can select the blank clip or blank background and click on the check mark to import it to your project. And I'm going to change the background into white. I'm just going to select white and I'm going to add text to this video. I'm just going to type in intro, just like so, and I'm going to make it bigger like this and click on the check mark, and you can choose the duration that you want, and I'm just going to choose 3 seconds, and we're going to save this video. Click on export and click on export again. And after that, we're going to create a new project. Just click on create new, and then you are going to select the video you want to add it. I'm just going to select the video from my Telegram. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and we're going to import our text video. You can go to the PIP option and then select the text video you have just created. Okay, this is my text video. All right, and click on this autofill button to fit the screen. And then I'm just going to make it shorter like this. And after that, I'm going to blend this text video with my video. We can go to the blend option and then select the screen. Okay, and I'm going to add mask to the text video. Select mask and then select this one. Okay, and I'm going to add keyframe. We can click on this keyframe button like this to animate the text video. I'm just going to drag it up. All right, and then I'm going to import text video again. I'm going to go to the PIP and then select PIP, and I'm going to add it. Okay, click on this autofill button to fit the screen and blend it just like the previous step. Okay, and for this text video, I'm going to apply mask as well. Select the mask and I'm going to rotate it. Okay, and I'm going to add keyframe as well. I'm going to click on the keyframe and I'm just going to move it down just like that. And then this is the final result. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create split screen text effect for YouTube intro using InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.